What's up and welcome back to Vibe with me. We are now vibing. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, it's good to see you back. Thanks for coming, I appreciate you. So today we're gonna get down on some cauliflower mash because in order to live a healthier lifestyle, we have to make some substitutions. Substitutions, not sacrifices. I'm gonna show you how to make this cauliflower mash, but don't even trip. This is gonna be loaded with flavor. So you wanna check it out? Follow along. Okay, first we're gonna chop up our cauliflower. You can get fresh cauliflower. They also have the cauliflower that you could just buy from, bagged up already. Usually I cut these in 4s. And then I'll just chop off this chunk here. Bam. Cut these evenly so they could kind of cook evenly. I went ahead and gave these a nice rinse. Now I'm gonna steam these. I'm gonna use my Miele steamer. This is amazing. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna check them. I wanna make sure they're fork tender. Okay, so you can also use a pot with a steamer basket like this one. I'll go ahead and link a steamer basket below in the descriptions in case y'all are interested. Cauliflower is steaming, so we're gonna go ahead and warm up some butter. And then we're gonna go ahead and mince some garlic. Depending on how much you like garlic, you could use more or less. I'm using 3 large cloves. So I'm cooking this on low. I just want to warm up my garlic for, 1 to 2 minutes. Now I can start smelling the garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and set it aside. All right, we got our cauliflowers nice and tender. I can easily just break them up with a fork. So that's when you know they're ready. Now we're just gonna mix it all in our food processor. Get some cream cheese in there, baby. Get some Parmesan cheese up in there. We're throwing some salt up in there. Then we're throwing in our roasted garlic and butter. Bam. Crack some pepper. Nice, and then we're gonna blend. I'm gonna go in a few times and push the sides down. That way everything blends completely. And then just pulse until you get your nice and fluffy cauliflower mash. And then you want to check for salt. Ooh. And then you just plate it. And then I just like to garnish. So I just like to throw some butter and then garnish with whatever, green I have. In the fridge, I have parsley, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just to garnish just a little. The moment of truth, because I know y'all don't believe me. I know you're scared of cauliflower, but seriously, you guys don't know what you guys are missing out on. Ooh, that's really good. It's creamy, and you can taste that roasted garlic. If you like garlic, you can add more. So try it out and let me know, because I'm telling you, you can't even taste the cauliflower. Once you start cooking with cauliflower, thank me later, okay? So If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you want to see, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe, okay? Peace. Wow.